Are you looking for a vibe?
Yes.
Welcome to Vibe with
Jebo and Jindo.
Okay. This is another lit video. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notification button and share. Tell your friends to subscribe as well. And for those who have been with us, welcome back to another video. How have you been? How you doing?
Yeah, happy Easter now.
Yeah, happy
You wished them a video. She wished you a video. Where is the video, Vivian?
If I use this skin, I'm flooding. By the way, anyways. So what are we doing today? We'll be trying out something new. The first video we did what's it called? What did we do in the first video?
It was a water trick and introduction.
Yeah, and then I got reviews that some of you tried it. Thanks. So and today again we'll be doing another trick. Yes. Okay, so what we'll be doing today is called the Coke Explosion.
Boom!
So what would you be needing for this video? You already saw it. You'll be needing a Coke.
You'll be needing Mentos.
Yeah, Mentos and then exactly their number. So these are the things you should be needing.
Okay.
And we don't know if this is going to work.
We don't know. We just
please Coke, do not pour on our body because we didn't come with extra clothes.
Our number is going to Mobia.
Exactly. So let's see how it goes down. So first thing, Jindo, take us through how we going to do it.
It's me that is always taking to.
Shut up.
So from what we saw, okay, they said we should put the Mentos inside the Coke.
So is it the whole 3 Mentos that
No, we put it until
it's are we supposed to shake it?
If you shake it, if you open it will explode immediately.
Okay, let's set. So alright. So Jindo, I'm scared. Hey, voila. So are we opening the Coke?
I open Coke.
Okay.
They said we are not sure if it will happen. No, Mentos will just be putting. If it explodes, it explodes. If you know it explodes, you know it explodes.
So this Coke will just waste.
That's the problem. You know this Coke is 100 naira.
100 naira, I'm making noise.
You give me 100 naira.
Hey, what's about to? Hey, voila, we have not put the Mentos. Okay. Have you settled?
If this enter my eye, you.
No, it does not.
That's it.
I don't want the
just the nonsense we are doing. People are watching us. Don't keep it on. Bring it.
Yeah, what?
Bring it down, hold it now.
No, I know.
Bring it down, hold this thing. Why are you scared?
You are not serious.
Just
you hold it.
Dear viewers, see what Jebo is doing.
You hold it.
Can you kindly carry this?
You carry it and put the Mentos.
I put Mentos. I carry Mentos first. If you like, put it. Pause this. Come closer. I
say come closer. Walk out there.
If the thing explodes,
no.
Not first,
Yeah, that's serious. So what's
Jesus.
I think you put the remaining one.
Like,
kidding. Is it going to explode again?
Let's.
This act just okay. Should we? Okay.
Whoa.
Okay. Come on, Jindo, are you sick? We still has 1 month. We still have 1 month to pour. It's finished. Okay. Let's shake it. Let's shake and see what happens.
Just if you did.
Yeah, shake it to see how.
Yeah, she's shaking it. She's shaking it. Shaking.
Explode. Are you ready?
Shake.
Woohoo! Cheers, baby. Cheers.
So don't try this at.
Yeah, don't try it at home. Because you mess up your house.
Shit, see,
definitely. Just see, yeah, it does. Just see.
Just take a look at here. Vivian, you really messed it up.
You're sick. You did.
Hey!
Okay, let's go clean up.
Where is
So that's Coke Explosion. Went sideways. Coke Explosion now.
It's a like you had thought this that.
Okay, so the next thing we'll be doing is word on the street.
We are going to the streets. That's the next. I don't know why she's making noise.
Shut up. It's called Word on the Street.
Okay.
So we're going to the street to do a few things, to ask a few questions and tongue twisters as well.
Yeah.
So we are scared because we don't want people to snub us.
No, I won't beat you then.
Bro, if they beat IS, we'll just fight back.
Yeah.
I would rather leave you.
This gender.
Pretty girls don't fight. That's right.
Who is deceiving you?
That's Independence Herald. So we are going to ask people. So the first thing we are going to do is look at the faces of people.
Yeah.
For what?
For someone bite us or someone come and start swearing for us now.
Yeah.
So
let's look for the first person.
Yeah, now we are going now.
We have been discouraged.
We are still on the street.
The first person we met was like, stop that nonsense. So we finally saw someone, thankfully.
Okay.
So what's your name?
My name is Chiamaka.
Chiamaka, and she's very pretty. Can you see the baby? Do you see how cute she is? Yeah, so we want to ask, let's say if you had won a 10 million naira lottery and then you got a call that your ex needed help for you to like build the ex. So what would you do?
Nothing.
Okay, let's say he calls you now, like give him a 3-word reply. Just 3 words. 3 words.
If I win 10 million
Yes.
and my ex has an urgent something.
Yes, for you to bail him out. And
Bail
let's
him
say the
out.
bill costs like
No, he
8
will
million
stay for
naira.
that jail like 10 years before.
10 years. Oh my
Before
god.
I'll
10
give you-
years. Wow. So 10 years before you'd help him out.
Yeah.
Okay, so you heard it from Chiamaka. 10 years before she helps her ex.
Again, yeah, we saw another person. This is a student. Where are you coming from? Which school is this?
I'm coming from Urban Girls Secondary School.
Please, can you tell us your name?
My name is Uboch Christabel.
Okay, so I'm Jendo, she's Javo. So we are going to ask you a little question. It's a tongue twister question. So we'll give you a word now. We'll give you a word. You have to say the word very fast. Can you do that for us? Very fast. So I give you this word. Listen carefully. I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch.
I wish to wash my Irish wristwatch.
Oh, yeah, say it fast now. Say it.
I wish to wash my Irish
You're not
wristwatch.
saying it very fast.
I wish to wash my Irish writchwash.
Did you say that? That's a tongue twister question. So you enjoyed this, right? Okay, so thank you so much for the presents and everything. Thank you.
As you can see, we are very tired. We just came back.
This is the worst thing ever.
The worst, I'm telling you. The
No,
worst.
The days to stage, those who guys to do their own, days to stage.
Like, do you guys act? Do you act? Because the way we are seeing it, it was no single soul except one. No single soul agreed to be videoed. They all accepted to be, like answer the questions, but they said no.
They can't
They
be on the video.
they don't want you to video at all. Like, this has killed our vibe. Aww.
God.
But of course, our vibe can never be ruined because we are vibe with
Javo
Javo and
and
Jindu. But of course, we won't give up at all. We are still going. We will go. That those
who's going
questions,
there?
we are going to go. Those questions.
just
we
just
must-
help us. Come out to the streets. Call us. We'll come.
Yeah, wherever you are, just call us for us to ask you, please, because
Call.
trying to go and meet people and ask,
Nah,
it's not
nah,
funny.
nah, nah,
we
at
have to
all.
like, take permission at all.
If you see our backstory, like
Oh,
how.
Jesus Christ.
Hi, God.
And like those people that do it, how do you do it? Like, it seems so
I'm still asking
easy.
that question. How?
I'm telling you, I feel like you guys are acting it out, serious.
Before Uncle.
Yeah, possibly, like most.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
either way. So you see a little fail video, possibly.
So other not so interesting video, but their videos back.
Yeah, this is something. We're able to get something. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe. Click the like button.
We are ending in a very sad way.
Yeah.
Sad. Writing up, yeah.
Yeah.
So this
this
the
vibe
vibe with Javo
and Jindu. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you
sure
click the turn on the post notification button.
That's what I get. Ta-ta-ta-ra.
Okay, Jesus Christ, what was that about? Turn on the post notification button. Share, tell your friends when we have coming up in our next video. So get excited.
I get ready.
Yeah. Alright. Peace out.